Okay, the worst thing that could have happened has just happened. I crashed my drone. There.
So how did this happen? Well, a few days ago, I bought a drone.
Best part of £1,000!
My wife wasn't very happy with me.
On a camera.
Drone. Flying camera. But we needed a drone. See, we were doing a cycling challenge from Land's End to John O'Groats. Whilst walking the dogs, we noticed a beautiful sunset. Now, being the nerdy YouTubers that we are, we could never miss the opportunity to get a cool video of a beautiful sunset. It was going pretty well, but I thought I could do better. I wanted to get the ultimate sunset shot. To do this, I was going to have to fly my drone down a valley, avoid some trees, under a viaduct, and then come up the other side to reveal my ultimate sunset shot. However, I kinda didn't miss the trees. One eternity later.
Okay, the worst thing that could have happened has just happened. I crashed my drone. There. So I'm about to go swimming. I'm gonna go get it. The light's still on.
I could still see the lights on the drone, which meant it might still be alive. I quickly stripped off my clothes, it's February by the way, and ran down to the river to save my drone. I pulled the drone out of the river and scrambled back up the bank.
So I got it and it looks like it's still alive. It was in the water for a good 5 or 6 minutes, but I am freezing, so I'm gonna get back to the van.
Yes, I do live in a van. Quickly dried it off and plugged it in. After a bit of Dr. Google, our worst suspicions were confirmed.
Okay, Google. Is Mavic Air 2 waterproof?
According to DJI, is Mavic Air 2 waterproof? No.
Deciding to try my luck anyway, we plugged it in and turned it on.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Hi.
Hi!
Yes!
This mentalist!
That water's quite strong as well.
That is the luckiest thing that's happened to us.
If that's still alive, I don't know how. It was like on the bottom of the river.
Shit. It looks like it's on.
Yeah. Yeah, it was still, that's how I found it. It was glowing red at the bottom of the river.
Please, baby drone, please work.
Let's go get him in some rice.
Yeah. Okay.
Where's the van?
Oh, it's